Hello everybody, today I will be teaching you how to make a clicker game in Scratch. So first you want to choose a sprite. I'm going to go with this goofy butterfly. Points. Or you can also do just clicks or any other thing. I'm going to go for clicks actually. So for points, you just want to do when the sprite clicked. You can add in some effects. This is optional. Change size by 10. Wait 0.1 seconds. And then change size by -10. Change clicks by 1. So this is what it's like after that. So you just want to make it so forever. So when green flag pressed, forever go there. Then if you drag it, it'll just go back instantly. So it does have a slight delay. So instead, I'm going to just set size to 150%, which is what I had it as originally. So now that problem is fixed. It doesn't get too big. So now with the same script up here, we're gonna set clicks to 0 when green flag pressed. So whenever you restart the game, you lose all your clicks. So then, what we can do is just change this by like 20, I think. Let's do like 50. So then, for upgrades, we can make our own sprite here, just in a little box. I'm not going to do a special color because I am just lazy like that. Okay, I'm going to just type in the name, +1 per click. And you can change the font if you want. I'm just going to change it to black because I like that font. And then we're going to just type in the price down here. You can format this however you want. We're going to make this like 30 clicks. And then just drag that right there. And then boom, we have an upgrade. So whenever this sprite clicked, we're going to check if we have enough points by doing if then this. If then clicks is less than 5, then we're gonna stop this script. And then, actually we're gonna put this into an if then else loop. And then put that into, oh wait, that's the old price, we gotta set that to 30. So, and then we're gonna make a new variable named click amount. I'm not creative enough to think of a better name. So then I'm gonna hide that variable, then put that right there. Then we're gonna set click amount to 1 when green flag pressed. Change click amount by 1. And change clicks by -30. And then hide. Then we're going to do when green flag pressed, show. Then we can buy that, and then we get double per click. And so the next upgrade we're going to do is going to be the auto clicker. So we're just going to make another square. We're going to make this one red. again, you can make this any color you want. I'm just choosing red because I feel like it. So then, we're gonna put that right there. Auto clicker. And then we can just do that and forward, just until it's on the front layer. Oh wait, no, that's also red. It already was on the front layer. Alright, then what we're gonna do is drag that there. And also, actually, I'm just gonna make this not hide, just so you can get an infinite amount of those. So then, I'm gonna type in the price. I'm gonna make this like 100 bucks. So then we're just gonna drag that over here. Then it'll have the code. Then we're gonna set that to 100. And then instead of that, I'm going to 100. Then we're gonna broadcast message 1. You can just like, this is like the best way to do it. It's the most simple. You can do it in many other ways, but I'm just choosing this way. And then we have to make this one hide. Can I like drag that out? Okay. Whenever I receive message 1, change clicks by 1, then wait like 0.1 seconds. Actually, we're gonna make a new sprite for this. We're gonna make this like a bat. Then run. And we're gonna give that code to you instead. When green flag pressed, hide. And then when I receive message 1, show. Change. Then if you want to add the effect to the bat, then you can do the same thing. We're going to change that to 0.3 actually. And then set size back to 100%. And actually, instead of that, we're just going to make you 0.1. Then set you to 0.2 for the same load time. So, fairly simple code so far. This is like the absolute minimum. Right. Then we're going to put a forever loop on here. Then we're going to press green flag. Then we're going to buy the auto clicker. And actually, I'm going to also set this to click amount. And that is an optional thing. You don't have to do that. So, that is basically it. Or, we also have to add a green flag show here because we forgot to do that. Or I forgot to do that, you guys didn't. So yeah. Then you can add on some finishing touches, like, multiple add-ons. This one is just done a bit poorly. I made this like 2 years ago, so the code isn't as compact. And then in the end, you can add on extra upgrades like this. You can do that. How you do that, you can figure out that yourself, or I can save that for a different tutorial. So, yeah. Goodbye, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Horse.